This course is only for people who are pursuing pre-sales role or are already doing pre-sales job or are thinking to switch to pre-sales role for cloud solution architect. And this is a cloud agnostic course and not related to any specific cloud provider like AWS or Azure or GCP. The approach we'll be discussing in this course will be relevant to any cloud provider. So, any cloud architect of any specific cloud provider can go through this course to understand the pre-sales approach of cloud solution architect. In this course, we'll talk about each and every aspect of the pre-sales as cloud solution architect in different modules. The modules which we will be covering as part of this course are a brief introduction of this course, overview of cloud solution architect role, understanding the cloud scope in RFI and RFP, different drivers for adopting cloud, approach to cloud journey for enterprises, approach to cloud consulting services, approach for end-to-end cloud assessment, approach to lay cloud foundation, and in this we'll also go through the cloud reference architecture design for target and state, approach for efficient and effective cloud migration, managed services for cloud operations, cloud management for multi-cloud and brokerage services, optimizing the cost of cloud consumption, and finally the conclusion of this course.